Alright guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily and as quickly as possible clip videos and make money on Whop. Now, I want to get this out right now, guys. To everyone watching, guys, let me just say something, okay? You guys now have no excuse to not make money online. Now you guys, all the excuses go out the window, dude, and it's just if you want to put in the effort, dude. And it's not even going to take that much work. I'm about to show you how to do it really easy. But I don't want to hear any excuses anymore that, oh, I don't know how to make money, it's too difficult. No, I'm about to show you. Now you don't have any excuses. And before we do anything, let me just preface. After this video, I want you to go join a campaign and upload a video and start earning money right after. I don't want to hear, you know, I'll plan it, I'll do it another day. No, this is an easy way to make money right now. And I need you guys to do this right now because it's going to change your, you know, if you don't want to do it, that's fine, but it's going to change your life. Okay, so guys, it's as simple as it looks. So first of all, we'll just go to discover, right? This is where you find all the content rewards and all that stuff, right? So you see this section called content rewards. This is what you want to focus on, not the live streams or anything. And then you want to go to see all content rewards, okay? Now, once you're in here, you can see all the content rewards. There's some filtering options up here, whatever. So basically, you can see that the percentage here, the bar percentage on each campaign or whatever, depending on how filled up it is, that is how much money is left in that campaign. So you don't want to, like, for this one, Whop UGC creators, you guys, if there's not a lot of money left, so these ones like Ambro clips, you don't want to focus on these. You want to focus ones with money that's still left, so you have high earning potential. All right, so let's choose one of these campaigns. All right, guys, so let's just go. I'm gonna go with the lovable campaign right here, dude, just because I know the software and I know it's amazing. So let's join that. So over here, I'll give you some tips. Now, guys, if you go over here to the learn tab, it's gonna tell you exactly what you need to do to earn the money and basically post the clips, because they want it basically a specific way. So you can't just post any clip about, you know, the certain product or person or whatever, right? It has to be under what they want it as. But a lot of these things will be pretty quick. It'll tell you what to do. And so now here is the real kicker. We've got Opus clip. Now, if you don't know about this automates all the clipping. So all you got to do is upload the file or drop the clip right here. And basically, you can just start editing right away. Now, I'll say one thing, you'll have to do some manual adjustments, but after that, you'll need to basically download the file and chuck it into one of your favorite video editor, and then just finish up chopping it up. All right, guys, so last thing, before you upload the clip, you're gonna need a title, description, and some tags. Now, this can all be generated through AI, so all you have to do is research. Basically, give me some tags, give me a description. So basically, give me a title, description, and tags for, and then like genre of video and type. That's it, dude. Copy that over, dude. Just be easy with it, and then post it online right away, dude. Now, also under earn, you can see that people have already posted videos and that they've already earned money through this campaign here. And then you can reference basically how they did their videos and then how you should do yours. So that's sort of what you want to do. But I mean, at the end of the day, it's pretty automated. As long as you know what kind of videos you want to do, you just chuck it in Opus clip, guys. Upload, generate the title, description, tags with AI, and then one thing to note, guys. Right after you post the video, upload the video into the chat. Okay, so what you want to do is basically upload your video onto the campaign, so that it instantly get recognized. So if you wait a day or something, sometimes they won't allow it. So you want to instantly, when you upload, I want you to go put the video in the chat. And dude, it's literally that simple, guys. I can't even simplify it anymore. If you have any more, you know, questions about how to use the specific softwares, just look it up online. It's super simple, and most of it's automated with AI and stuff. So that's the video chat. Please, bro, please, in the comments, if I hear it's too hard, it's too much, I can't do it, dude, just leave the video right now, dude. I can't with these comments, man.